This video is about like a tutorial of how I have gotten 2 VeVe BlindBox drops so far. So when you are on the app, you're in store, and today Coca-Cola dropped, so you click on latest drops. You want to be in this at least like a few minutes before, and this is going to be the page. You're not going to see this. It's going to say notify me. Right in between this little dark red line between this blurb and this, you have to click here furiously, like, okay? If you have nails, you could still do it. I have nails. You don't click with your nail, you click with your fingertips. So, I posted a picture on my Twitter of what it looks like. Let me see if I can find it. 1 minute. Hang on a second. I don't want to take you there. It will look like this, pending order, like the minute you get it. Okay, hold on, let me go back. So, after you get one, or maybe you don't get one, it's just sold out, this is what I have learned from other people. And I was like, how are they doing this? You have to click store and this, because someone was saying the sold out button is right on top of the button you have to press to get back. So I figured it out. You want to go to drops. You want to click right here. Then you click the sold out button, right? Just to see if it's a buy it now button, because every few minutes or so, some orders don't go through, and that's your chance to buy. So all you have to do is with your other hand, you click the back button, which has happened. You know what it is? Earlier, right? This was not here. So this was actually, it was actually like this. So when I clicked this, it took me right here, and you just go back and forth. It was like that. But it happened in the drops department. So I'll try to get a video next time, but that's what I would say would be my tutorial of how to get a BlindBox.